Saving just $10 per day is often one of the first points where your life and financial choices begin to change in a more positive way, and we're going to be looking at why this is in tonight's video. If you can believe it, saving $10 a day can absolutely change your life, because most people believe that you need a high income to actually become wealthy. But wealth is usually built through small financial habits repeated for years. The problem is, most people underestimate how powerful small daily amounts are. And in this presentation, we're going to look at what happens if you save just $10 every single day. And the long-term results are much bigger than most people expect. So if you do enjoy or learn something from this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more finance-related content. Now, going straight into this one, the first issue is that most people ignore small amounts of money. $10 feels like a very small amount. Most people will spend $10 without even thinking about it. It could be spent, for example, on coffee, snacks, fast food, subscriptions, or even impulse purchases online. Because the amount is so small, most people do not think that saving it would make any difference. But this is arguably one of the biggest financial mistakes that people make. They ignore their small daily spending. Because small daily spending is often what quietly keeps people broke over time. Small daily saving is often what quietly makes people wealthy over time. Now, small daily spending adds up fast. If you were to spend $10 a day on unnecessary things, it's already $70 by the end of the week, and around $300 at the end of the month. Over the course of a year, this works out to be £3,650 or dollars. Over 10 years, this is around $36,500. Many people complain that they have no money, but spend this amount all the time without realizing. Some people even spend significantly more per day. And the issue therefore is not always just income, but how it is spent and the daily habits that revolve around it. Now, going into this a bit further, changing small daily habits can completely change your financial prospects into the future. Now I'd like you to imagine that you were to save that amount of money instead. Instead of spending $10 a day, you save it. You are able to begin to build an emergency fund. You can reduce your financial stress, and you're most crucially able to stop living paycheck to paycheck. This can create new opportunities for yourself and slowly build a real financial level of security. Most people do not become wealthy from one big event. They become wealthy from small and smart decisions which have been repeated for years. Now here's a long-term effect of saving $10 per day. Because saving $10 per day in the first year would equate to $3,650 saved. Over the course of 3, it would be just under $11,000 saved. And in just 5 years, what seems to be a relatively short period of time, you would have $18,250. In a decade, you're looking at $36,500, and 20 years would bring this number up to $73,000. And this is from a very small daily habit. It's not a promotion, it's not a second job, and it's not any degree of luck. It's simple consistency, and this is just the raw numbers. Now, saving is good, and this brings us on to our next topic, because investing is often better. You see those numbers that we just looked at? They can grow significantly if you look into investing rather than saving. When you start to invest, your money starts generating returns. You earn interest on your money. And then you earn interest on the interest over time, which is called compound interest. Now, compound interest is one of the most powerful financial tools in the world. Over long periods of time, investing small amounts can turn into very large amounts. Time is more important than how much you invest in this instance. And this is the thing, the habit of saving $10 per day changes your entire life. $10 per day is not just about saving money. It's about building discipline. It's about building self-control. It's about starting to change the way you think about money, becoming more intentional with shopping, spending, and money in general. You'll stop impulse buying. You'll stop the online shopping. You start thinking instead more long term instead of short term. And you start acting like wealthy people act, not flaunting cash, not getting into debt, but simply just building a life of genuine financial freedom. You see, wealth is often a result of habits and not directly income alone. Now we have the compounding effect, as building good habits is something which we must speak about. People who start saving money often also start budgeting. They start tracking their spending more consistently. They start investing that money. They start learning about money. They're more able and more willing to start side hustles and businesses because they can afford to take the risk. They're more easily able to avoid debt when unexpected costs rise up. They're able to build emergency funds and create a life where they don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. And most crucially, with the security that these small habits build, they're able to start planning a future for themselves, a real and secure financial journey that they can indulge upon. Because one small habit can actually completely change your life and your financial behavior more broadly. The money that you save begins to give you options. Let's say that you're 1, 2, maybe 3 or 5 years into this project. All of a sudden you have savings and you don't have to feel trapped in a job that you hate. You can afford to take risks and opportunities when they arise. You can afford to travel and see more of the world with the time that you have here. You can move cities, perhaps for a change of scenery or even for further opportunities that you can find in different places. You can begin to risk starting a business. You've got the opportunity to do so in this situation. Most crucially, you can handle financial emergencies without panic. If a bill pops up, an unexpected cost, it can be covered very easily. And this gives you a lot of freedom and peace of mind. Because the real benefit of money is not just buying things, it's not just spending. The real benefit of money is the freedom it can bring. Now people wait to earn more instead of saving more early on. Most people say, I'll save when I earn more. I'll start next year. I don't have enough to save, maybe I don't make enough money. Or I'll start saving when things get better. But the truth is, if you can't save a small amount now, you probably won't be able to do it later even if the numbers are larger. Because when income increases, lifestyle often increases too. Saving is a habit, not an income level. And people who build wealth start saving as early as they can, even if it is just in small amounts. Because small habits can indeed change your life. So saving $10, it builds discipline, it builds savings, it builds confidence, opportunities, freedom, and most crucially, it allows you to truly build your future. You don't have to change your life in one day, but you change your life with small decisions every day. And that can start small and it can start today. It can start with $10. So thank you for watching the video. If you did learn something, if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now.